Unfortunately, because I've not been well, my voice isn't working too well, so I've had to use AI to actually put this together with the audio side and narration. So I hope that's okay. Enjoy it though. I think it's a great app, and what I've put together, I'm really happy with. Enjoy.
Welcome to my Replit to Cloud Accelerator app. Live with BigQuery and ML integrations. We start here in the Replit workspace. Replit is not just an IDE anymore, it is a full-stack deployment engine. Notice the tool sidebar, this is where the magic happens. Before we dive into the data, look at the core features. We have real-time collaborative coding, the Deployments tab for moving from development to production, and secrets for managing environment variables securely. But the centerpiece for this project is the Google Cloud Connector. It is already active here, handling our OAuth handshake so we do not have to manage brittle JSON key files in our source code. Now, let us pivot to where the actual data lives. Switching over to the Google Cloud Console, we head into BigQuery. Here is our data set. I am opening the entries table now. You can see the raw rows that our Replit app is ingesting and processing in real time. This is not just static storage, this is the feeding ground for our model. Data is useless without action. Moving to the Jobs section in the Google Cloud Console, you can see the active batch jobs. Everything you see here was triggered directly from our Replit deployment. This is the heavy lifting. We are now in the Vertex AI dashboard looking at our machine learning training jobs. You can see the current job status. It is pulling from that BigQuery dataset we just saw to refine our model's accuracy. But machine learning is not a one-and-done process. Let us look at the revision for the next training cycle. Here, we have defined the parameters for the next version. We can compare the performance metrics of the current model against the incoming revision to ensure we are not seeing any regression before we promote it to production. From a code change in Replit to a model revision in Vertex AI, the loop is closed. No manual auth, no credential leaks, just a direct pipeline from idea to intelligence. As you can see, I have had Replit show the code that it runs each time for visibility into what it's submitting to BigQuery in my GCP account. This button calls BigQuery ML to start the next training to refine the model on the latest data. It can take a few minutes. I will be adding more and more integrations and a live prediction endpoint using Replit and GCP. They are an amazing combo for creating fast, idea to fully functional apps that integrate with Google Cloud. I was very impressed as this is my first experiment with Replit. I think it's great for Google professionals and the non-technical alike. It's a true accelerator. I hope you enjoyed the demo.